Good afternoon. I'm here in two capacities. One, of course, is FICCI and also a TMI chairman. I think Sampath has eaten a lot of my namak khaya, Sampath, and Sanjeevar also. So it's always a pleasure to see your employees becoming entrepreneurs. I think that's the dream for many of us, right? And I think it's a great honor that I wish you all the very best. And I think coffee is always an exciting concept. I mean, we are Tamilians, and Tamilians start with coffee. But only thing, you guys will have to come at 5:30 in the morning. I don't know, they'll come to drink coffee. Coffee and Hindu paper. I think we should supply Hindu paper along with it. All Madrasis will drink. But I think the concept is very good. I like the employability. I like the sustainability. And I think every dream starts in the first step. I think you made the first step and you've got a lot of people who care for you to be here. And I think I can only promise you in my life of entrepreneurship, Jayesh is a good example. You make connection with people, and those connections are very important, much more than the entrepreneurship, much more than the money that you make. So I'm very privileged in TMI to meet a wide variety of people. Ajit is here, MSR is here, many people have come into my life. So I would also encourage all the team, startup team, to build a large network of friends, right? And that I think helps you in times when you're in crisis, times when things don't happen the way you want. But more importantly, a goodwill of a community takes you far. So I agree with that, following the law, following sustainability. But at the end of the day, the community should love you. That's all I can say. Thank you.